Hello and welcome to Module 9. In Module 9, what we're going to do is complete the process that we've been going through the Tanakh. Now, if you remember again, Tanakh is an acronym where we've done the T for Torah, the N for the Nevi'im, so Torah or law or instruction, Nevi'im for the prophets. And today we're going to be looking at the K, which stands for the Ketuvim. The Ketuvim, also we can understand them as the writings. And these are really the other books that we haven't got to yet. Take books like Ruth, Song of Solomon, Psalms, Proverbs, Job, Ecclesiastes, Lamentations, and so on. And so these are the books that we're going to be looking at in this module. What we want to understand is that if the Torah can be seen as the foundation on which faith resides, Nevi'im is the building which we now build on that foundation. It's the building of faith. It's the place where faith lives. Then the Ketuvim, or the writings, are essentially the furniture, the ornamentation, the things inside that building. It's really an expression of the lived out faith of the people. So when we look at the writings, we need to see that they don't have the same gravity, the same importance in that sense of the foundation, because without the foundation you have no house at all. They're not quite as important as prophecy, as the Nevi'im, as the walls of the house. Because of course without the walls, just having furniture is no big deal. But in fact the writings are there to show us how we live out the faith that we have. And so because of that, even though some of the writings are also some of the most difficult to get access to, it's also the most important, because what they do is they help us to explore the inside of that house of faith. They help us to explore what does it mean to actually sit and eat and live and communicate and relate inside that house of faith. And as such, it has lots of connections for us into the New Testament as well. And as we go into Jesus, as we go into the things that Jesus taught, we need to see that so much of what Jesus taught was also about how we live faith, not just about how we have faith.